Viral news, viral. Wagwan people, wagwan, best when safe as usual people. Remember to please like and share, guys, because tonight we have a jam-packed news session. We don't want to miss it. The first thing we are talking about, people, is that a man dies while loading milk onto truck in Spanish Town. R.I.P. to the General John Star. Let's get into it. Shock rippled through Spanish Town, St. Catherine yesterday after a man working on a truck in the busy town center fell and suffered fatal injuries. The man, whose identity had not been established up to the press time, was reportedly unloading cases of condensed milk on Morrison Street when struck the truck. Reports are that about 10:20 a.m. on August 17, the man fell while working on the truck and hit his head, leaving him unresponsive. John Star, the dog, drop out my people. Wow. It's got to hurt. R.I.P. You know, more tell on the work, people. You put in the work, to make yourself proud of your family, proud of your company, proud, guys. And, them things happen. It hurt. The man are them hard working bread people. The man sit down with nobody to give them at all, people. The man rob nobody get for them money, or analyze nobody, people. You see me? I have some man out there rob and get to things, my viewers and subscribers, You see me? R.I.P. again, my general. And to your family and thing, it's sad. You see me? It's sad for no so them thing I reach, my general and thing, because you deserve this, brother. You never stretch out your hand and beg it. You're on the truck of work. And this just reach like that, my dog, and thing. You see me? I want them thing, man. You see me? So, me I tell all the man who are on truck, be very, very careful. Make sure the safety come first. You see me? Very unfortunate. Now, my viewers and subscribers, Jano, 11 people unalive by road crash over the past 3 days, people. So basically what they are saying that 11 people drop out on the road. Jano Star. Me always tell you that we are driving and the woman, check on the time, and be very careful. Don't drive for yourself. Look out for your brother and sister on the road, yo. You see me? Be very cautious. Always be alert. The man with the reckless driving, the woman with the reckless driving on the road and thing, you are not cause the accident, Jano. At least 11 people, including 2 children, has been unalive in a road crash across the country between last Friday and Sunday. The deadly weekend of the nation road pushes the year's road fatalities to 210. On Friday, August 14, fatal crashes were recorded in 3 parishes. The deadly trend continues on Saturday with double fatalities crash on the PJ Patterson Highway, claiming the life of 2 men. Jesus, peace, my people. Wow. Jano Star. Now we're going to talk about another fatality crash, people, in Anatolia. You see me? Police in St. Mary are investigating the fatal collision in Anatolia on Friday that claimed the life of a 54-year-old man. The deceased has been identified as Howard Hamilton. You see me? Of Red Hills Road, Port Antonio. Jano Star, my people. Whoa, you put accident that go on in Jamaica. Whoa, you put accident, my people. Jano. Youths, take time and drive the man. See there? 1 dead, another injured in Trelawny crash, people. This is something different. Jesus, peace. Me I want you them, man, be careful. Take time and drive, no man. Cut on the speed, no man. Oh my gosh, man. Oh, now moves up on the road, brother. Oh, now moves up on the road. Jesus, peace. Nobody now want wait. Everybody want speed. You see me? Everybody want speed. Come on, man. Take on the time, man, brother, man, and give way, man. Jesus, peace. No, some viewers. 11 people jump out that tree there. A serious two-vehicle collision occurred early this morning along the Linstead bypass in St. Catherine. Multiple persons were reported injured, with one fatality reported, people. You saw me talk about? Viewers. Yo. Sad. I swear. Come move on now. Woman, should I say, wanted man posing as cabbie captured in Portland after 4 years manhunt. Now the police man searched him for 4 years, people. And the man pose as a cabbie. Police them capture him below. A 4-year manhunt for a Clarendon man wanted for murder has ended following an intelligence-led operation in Portland over the weekend. The police said 43-year-old Leighton Delahaye of James Hill has been evading law enforcement for 4 years while allegedly posing as a taxi operator in Portland. But people, yo, them man are skilled. Them man are full of talent, my people. So them man are pose as a taxi man. You see me? He might pose as a taxi man and deep down inside and think people is not. I swear. Youths and youths, put down the gun. You see me? Put down the gun. Because see them my boy get catch, you know. My boy never expect him get catch, you know. My boy feel say everything at all the plan, and him feel like say him could have basically stay as long as him can being a false taxi operator. And see, you know, film time come to an end, people. You see me? No, sir. Next, move on up. Investigation assigned to the St. Catherine North Police Division have arrested a 16-year-old boy in connection with the robbery of a taxi operator along Thompson Pen Road, Spanish Town. Reports are at about 8:30 p.m. on Saturday. The complainant, who plies the Spanish Town to Thompson Town route, was transporting two men who had requested to be taken to the Greendale community. On the one of the men sat at the back seat while the other occupied the front passenger seat. Upon reaching Thompson Avenue, the man in the rear seat reportedly grabbed the driver's neck and began squeezing, and while threatening to hurt him. The other man then brandished a knife. The driver managed to disarm the man, you see me, unfazing his seatbelt, and jump from the vehicle. The man reportedly escaped with his cellular phone and wallet containing $7,000. The company subsequently reported the matter to the police, and the teenager was later arrested. When you see the people, you are 16, you know. You see me? And so if man thing for do. You see that? So if man thing for do, rap people that are for them duty. You see me? Children live what they learn. Me telling the people that serious thing in Jamaica right about now, the youth them are lose it. You see me? They're as young as them is, them don't want to work. Them don't want to do hard work. No. Montego Bay sporting icon Jerry Reid has died. R.I.P. Jerry Reid. Montego Bay and wider western Jamaica are mourning the passing of one of the most revered sporting icon, Jeremiah Jerry Reid, who died at the Conway Hospital last night after a protracted period of illness. Reid expansive and well-decorated career in sports spanned cricket, football, track and field, tennis, volleyball, swimming, in which he served as a player, coach, official, mentor, and ambassador. You see me? John Star people, Jamaica, when he was a stalwart. You see me? I said this man I want top man of the thing. Them man have been there and done that, and them have a lot of experienced people. You see me? It's very sad. You see me? So, I could wish the family nothing but the best. RIP, my general. Sad for those that this happened to you. You see me? But I just saw life go poor time. Life no go as we want it sometimes. You see me, I say? So, yeah. So, we have to just, again, people, move on with the life. You see me, I say? But you have to just be in mind, say, yo, this can happen to anybody, people. Central Village, St. Catherine, man charged for allegedly shooting at police. Now, the brother are brave, you people. This a brother are brave. A 23-year-old Windsor Heights, Central Village, St. Catherine, man has been charged for allegedly shooting at the police. Marlon Taylor, otherwise called Johnny, is charged with 3 counts of shooting with intent, possession of prohibited weapon, unauthorized possession of ammunition, making use of firearm to commit felony, and conspiracy. So the brother here get himself in some serious problem, viewers. And we know so the police are not going to pet him. We all know so the police are not going to pet him. They're going to drag him. They're going to do all kind of thing to him. And you can know so you are weird. I say the people now feel sorry for them boy. I know. Me now feel sorry for them boy. They have sense. You see me? They have gun to do what they want to do and think, people. You see me? So let's my over them do enjoy for themselves. Now we're going to talk about a Jamaican brother here. Should I say? Yeah, the Jamaican brother here. Where we arrested in Florida. For try to juke up people. Jamaican man arrested after after juking at Burger King in Florida. You see me? Now my people, Jamaican man was arrested and charged for reportedly juking 2 people at Burger King near Coastal Palms Boulevard, Florida on Thursday, August 13th. You see me? My people, I'm not joking this. No, sir. This a brother is serious. Are you not easy, man? Really? Everything we involve in Jamaican people, everything we involve in. Every God Almighty thing. Let's talk about the last story, people. We have a charge with murder. The Trinidad police have charged a 28-year-old Rio Rochester, otherwise called Bala, a construction worker of Carter Hill, Maypen, Clarendon, with murder following the incident in the parish on Saturday, April 16, 2022. Deceased is Ramesh Johnson, otherwise called Misha, a 21-year-old construction worker of Job Lane, Christiana, Manchester. Reports from the Waitabit police are that the now deceased was the driver of a motorcycle with Rochester opinion. Upon reaching a section of the roadway, the now deceased was armed with a firearm. You see me? Shot the deceased in the back. It was reported that Rochester managed to somehow jump from the motorcycle unhurt as the motorcycle was crushed. Jump from the motorcycle unhurt as the motorcycle crashed. You see me? The people. Boy, something going on in that country, I see. But back to the main story, people. RIP to everybody who lose them life in the accident. You see me? Because them have to live and have to learn. And just know, say, yo, life and a joke thing. Life and a joke thing. Youths and youths, when you not drive, be careful what you head back. What you say, but now stop warning no. You see me? So big up to everyone who tuning, big up to everyone who like and share. Go on do the thing, people. Go on do the thing. I can't leave on now. Stay blessed.